Hey guys, it's Kian. I just have to send this. I can't like send this to my videos.
It sounds delicious.
It's just
Poopsie, the Pequot Order of Professional Space and Interplanetary Explorers.
well, it's because my iPad is recently has a virus. I can't fix it. We're going to bring it to the Apple Store. We're gonna have to fix it somehow.
Okay,
So,
got your big silver hat. Now what? Put it over there. The pizza in a sock place, but they serve pizza in a sock.
But you missed!
Point it at the monster. Oh, that makes way more sense. Hey, Altitude, have some sun, son.
Don't call me son! You're not my parents! I have no parents! Time to put you on ice! I've been saving that one too.
You know, none of this would be happening if Bert had just made up with his parents. Harold, you beautiful beast! Mr. and Mrs. Ladderfeller of the Ladderfeller Climbing Dynasty, Bert needs your help.
You and our son?
Since neither of us is winning, want to take a break? I can go for pizza in a sock.
So it would have been a minute.
Never! Revenge! Dish! Cold! It's